Hi, this is Norm Chapman, CEO of United Concept Trainers, and what I'm going to demonstrate is putting in an electrical fault in this PNP transistor switch trainer. And the first thing I'll do is, well, the ignition switch is on, and of course I energize it, and notice the circuit is working. When I energize the PNP transistor base going down through the 1K ohm resistor, and I energize the sensor switch. So I'll take and I'll put an electrical fault in. So I'll turn it around, and of course it's got a lock key switch here that you would open, lock, and unlock. And I'll put electrical fault in. I'm going to actually put one in here between G and H. Disconnect it. Shut the door, lock it so the students don't have access to it. Now of course the students then would take and turn on the switch, and of course go to energize it. Nothing happens. So now to find that fault, I'm going to use something that's gaining popularity here, a power probe, and of course I'm going to hook on the front here with auxiliary power. Hook my positive and my negative just like you would on a battery. Got my power probe, it's got 12.1 volts positive, and it's got 0 negative. And so I come down to my circuit here, going into that control module, I've got 12.1 volts. And at this point right here, I should have 0. I'm showing 11.4 volts, which means I've got battery power coming through here. So I've got a bad ground, because from F down through the circuit going down to Y would be a ground. So F I'm showing 11.4, G I'm showing 11.4, 0. So somewhere between G and P I have myself an electrical fault. So I could take and I could ground that. So I just grounded the circuit. So now coming down through this 1K ohm resistor, down through G, down through the circuit to ground, it should be 0. So I have an open right here between G and P.